Hello children, today we will learn alphabet. A for apple. A for ant. B for boy. B for bat. C for cat. C for crow. D for dog. D for deer. E for elephant. E for egg. F for fish. F for frog. Black color. G for goat. G for girl. H for horse. H for hen. I for ice cream. I for ink pot. J for jug. J for joker. K for kite. K for king. L for lion. L for leg. Sky blue color. M for monkey. M for moon. N for nest. N for net. O for orange. O for old. P for parrot. P for peacock. Q for quail. Q for queen. R for rose. R for red. Green color. S for sun. S for sheep. T for tree. T for tent. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for van. V for vase. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra.